Hey Team V.
Hey Team V, welcome back to our 12 crafts of Christmas. Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to Team V.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah.
One of you friends taught me that Merry Christmas to Happy Birthday song. I love it. So today we are going to make a snow globe.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, dear everyone. Merry Christmas to you.
And you. Okay, so Leo, tell us what our supplies are.
Scissors.
Scissors. This is called contact paper.
Contact paper.
These are.
Spark.
This is.
Glue. Paper
Glue stick.
with those lines on it. And this picture of your kid and a circle around it and labeled on this paper.
Okay, so this is any color construction paper that you want the bottom of your snow globe to be. And I've just drawn a little shape here like the bottom of a snow globe. This is a picture of you acting cold. Show me how you act cold. So Leo is acting super cold in this picture. He's hugging his arms. You can also do it with like a toque on or gloves or a jacket. You could do it in the snow if it's snowy where you are, or you could go up to the mountain. Take a picture from you up in the mountain. So the first step here is to cut this out. So we are back and Leo's cutting out his snow globe. Now we're going to add some sparkles to make it look snowy inside, but you don't want sparkles all over your picture, so not on your face. All right, so let's put some. You're gonna do it. So just, I wanna make sure you don't put it on your face, okay? Anywhere else you want.
Okay, on my hands?
Yeah, on your hands. I would say all over, except on your face. And you could do the bottom like a snow drift. You can make it come up the sides even. All right, that's all you want. Okay, no problem. Now we get out the sparkles. Oh my goodness, these are extra fine sparkles, so they are extra messy. All right, you grab it and you sprinkle a little bit on the bottom. Oh wow!
Oh no.
That's what happens with sparkles. Sometimes you have to spread it around. It's okay, we'll save the rest. I'll show you a technique to save. Yeah, spread it around with your fingers. That's a good technique. Okay, Leo's gonna go wash his hands. Go, go, go!
Sparkle!
So now you would shake it off. Tap, tap, tap. You would take a look. Is that enough sparkles? Is that not enough sparkles? I will ask Leo.
That's way too much!
I'm gonna ask Leo when he gets back here. Is that enough sparkles or do you want more?
No.
Enough? Okay.
Hey Team V, we're back.
We are back from our sparkles and washing our hands. Now we have 2 pieces of contact paper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unpeel one and we're gonna lay it on the table. Okay, no, touch. It's too sticky to touch. Okay, so now Leo, I want you to put this on the bottom, but not off the edge. So, there, okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to position this like it's resting on there. So go ahead. That's where you want it. And touch it down.
Yeah, it was kind of pulling off for me. Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna get a marker and you are going to write your name on the green. Careful, it's sticky. Should have probably got you to write your name before. Fix that up. Okay, now let's put a little space and we'll put the date, which is 2020. So do a 2, remember how to do a 2? Yes, that's a perfect 2. Now a 0, and now a 2, 0. Brilliant!
Oh, that one's a best one.
That is the best too. Okay, so now we're gonna put the second sheet of contact paper on top. And now you can spread it out. Go ahead.
It's sticky.
It is sticky, and you want to spread from the center out so that you get all the air bubbles out. And there you are. You want to hold it up?
Yeah, but what about the part that went off?
That's fine. So we are now going to trim around it, and we're going to poke a little hole, and we can hang it from our Christmas tree. Wonderful job. I'm so proud of you. Oh, it's stuck to your finger. Ah. All right, let's do our handshake. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop.
Love